Today's Hot Wheels 2019 D case unboxing is brought to you by A&J Toys. That is where this case came from. Like I said in my C case unboxing just before, these are coming a little bit later than typical. Actually, the D case is coming on time. The C case I did was a little bit later only because all of this was going to retail for the holiday. But I think we're going to finally get back on track as we get into the new year, the actual new year, not like the Hot Wheels new year. We've been well into 2019 for a few months now with Hot Wheels. I'm talking about the actual 2019. So lots of cool stuff to come. Obviously, you've seen the Golf, you've seen everything that I've showcased. So we're going to get back into that, and I got all kinds of cool stuff to do. So very, very excited, including a couple more. Well, we'll just get to it when it's time. All right, let's open up this case. This is the D case. It is hitting in stores right about now. I have seen it in several cases are at several stores, including Target. I don't know if we've seen it in Walmart's yet, but let's just get right to it. Let's start with these first three. I've showcased some of these already, and we're starting off with the treasure hunt. Pretty nice looking treasure hunt as well. Sorry for the bump. Pretty nice looking treasure hunt as well. It is the Twin Mill in gold. This is going to be, I think, one of the top treasure hunts of the year, only because the Twin Mill is such an iconic car, and this one's pretty nice. There's your symbol right there up on the roof. Next one is the 16 Mercedes Amg Gt3 in yellow, and then a repeat from the C case, the 87 Dodge D100. Next is the Dune Daddy. Now, I believe this is an international case because is there anything that's a new cast? We'll get to it and we'll see if there's anything that says it's new. The Dune Daddy may be new or not, I don't know, but that's a cool. I like the deco on this one. Baja Blazers. All right, this is the 69 Dodge Charger 500. I mentioned in my showcase I thought this was from Fast and Furious, but it's not. It's got this Speed Core, I think, logo on the door. But that one's really kind of cool. And then the repeat from the C case, the Mustang Funny Car. All right, nice to see two Guaczillas in here because there was only one in the C case, and this has proven to be a popular casting. It looks like a lot of Tanner Fox or Nissan GTR fans out there, or maybe Guacamole fans, or maybe Godzilla fans, or fans of Godzilla eating guacamole. Either way, but let me know if that's what you're a fan of. Here is the Surf and Turf. They decorated the surfboard. That looks cool. I'm guessing it's probably mostly fans of Godzilla eating guacamole. All right, Surf and Turf. Turf, sorry. And here are two of the Copo Camaro Ss from the last case. Notice there's quite the shade difference on those two. Look at that. One's a lot darker there on top than the other one. Two of the custom Volkswagen Beetles. And then this is new for this case, the Porsche Panamera Police. I think you guys told me after my showcase that's Italy, right? US Vengeance, also repeat. Electrac, also repeat in Super Chromes. You guys digging that Super Chromes? I think it's kind of cool. Okay, we know this is now a US case because this is new for 2019. So this is a US case and the octane is new. I mean, I guess I could have looked on the back, and sometimes they have a different code, but it's more fun this way to figure that out. And then this is the Bubble-Matic with multiple colors. Two of the Rising Heat. And one of the 90 or 85 Honda City Turbo 2 in light blue Bisimoto logo on that one. Two of the wheelie chair and new color for the 16 Cadillac ATS VR. New deco, actually. Looks good. All right, if you didn't get the Honda in the C case, you can get the Honda CRX in the B case. So two of those, and then a second Dodge D100. 16 Camaro SS in the Borla Deco, another Mercedes AMG GT3. And to finalize the last three, we got some good stuff here. Volkswagen T2 pickup. This would be the Super if it had a TH on it, was a little more Spectre Flame, and had the new Real Riders. Those, I don't remember what the names are for those Real Riders, but that would be the Super. This one has turned out to be a star of the case, the new Muscle Bound. Lots of people really digging this one, including me, and then the Dodge Charger stock car. Okay, let's get to the last 36, or second 36, or whatever we want to call it. I already see a new model. Okay, 2 of the Track Manga. This is a far better version than last year's, yes, of the Track Manga. And there is your new model, I think the most notable new model of the D case. It's the 67 Jeepster Commando. It's pretty big if you look at it. Earl Motors. Cool wheels on it. '10 Camaro SS police car. Love the Porsche 918 Spyder. And then the 16 Dodge Charger 500. Did I say Dodger Charger? Whatever. 2 Justice League Batmobiles, and then a Ducati. $11.99 Panigale. Grumobile and the Crescendo. Nissan Fairlady, repeat from the last case, and then another Jeep. Nice to see 2 of those. By the way, the back has got some deco on it, on the motorcycle, which is cool. 2 of the Golf Novas, and then another Ducati. Seems like this one has a fair amount of repeats from the last case, which is fine, but they're in multiples. 65 Mustang 2 plus 2 Fastback, and then the T-Rex Troyer. Hollinator. Another Mustang. Ooh. Something fell. 2 of the Dodge Little Red Express, and then the Kickstart Indy 500 Oval. Corvette C7 Z06 convertible, and then this thing's kind of cool. I like this one, by the way. This is the Moto Wing. It's a messed up J-hook, but this thing's bonkers. You notice it's like kind of motorcycle, kind of everything. It's got to be based on something, but there's the art right there. Really kind of cool. Probably should have showcased that one. Another cool unlicensed model. All right. Motosaurus, 2 of the Golf MK2 from the last case. And then to finally finish this one off, 70 Chevelle wagon, and then 2 of the Corvette Grand Sport Roadsters, which was the Super in the C case. There you go. That is the D case. A little bit more relevant from a timing perspective than doing the C case. But so go out and find it. Tell me which ones you want to find. I think the Jeep is definitely one to look for. I think obviously the T2 Super is going to be on everyone's want list, including mine. If I get it, we'll do a Super showcase on it, right? Right. Thanks, everybody. Bye.